In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Lugia in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have Johto structures enabled. In order to enable Johto structures, you need to defeat the Kanto region first. And to do that, you need to fight all 8 gym leaders, defeat the Elite Four, and fight Champion Blue himself. So obviously that is much easier said than done. You guys could also run a command that will effectively do the same thing. So let me show you guys the command. So it is /function, then Cobbleverse, then go ahead and type in blue underscore champion underscore defeated, just like so. Then press on enter, and then afterwards it is going to give you a book that looks like this. This is the same book that you're going to get after you defeat Champion Blue if you were to just play it regularly like you normally would. So let's go ahead and activate it, and then over here it's going to walk you through the step-by-step guide showing you how to actually enable all the different Johto structures. So please go ahead and give that a look as well. And also don't forget to type in this command that says function help, and then go ahead and type in Johto and then underscore series over here, so you'll have access to all the new Johto gym leaders and structures, which of course we will need in order to actually get Lugia, because Lugia is going to require Johto structures. Alright, once you're done with that, the next thing we need to do is we need to find a Team Rocket radio tower. Okay, so this is the command if you guys want to go ahead and use commands if you want. So it's /structure. So it is /locate structure and then Cobbleverse Rocket Radio Tower. Then press on enter. Then it is going to give you the coordinates, or you guys are able to go ahead and find it in your world naturally by going to Savannah Biomes. And once you're up here in the tower, you're actually going to be greeted by Giovanni himself. And then you're able to go ahead and have another rematch with Giovanni over here. And then after you beat him, he's going to drop an item called a Silver Wing. The Silver Wing is the item that we're going to be using in order to find Lugia. So here it is, the Silver Wing. And once you guys got the Silver Wing, the next thing we need to do is we need to find another structure called the World Island. So in order to find that, you want to go to the Ocean Biome. But what you guys could do is you could also do /locate structure, then Cobbleverse right over here, then type in world underscore island, just like so. Then it is going to give you the coordinates, and then just teleport there. All right, and then here's how the structure does look like. So just to reiterate, it is going to spawn naturally in the ocean biome. So now you just want to make your way inside. All right, then the structure is going to look something like this. It honestly looks absolutely amazing. Then you want to take out your Silver Wing and then right click on the altar over here. And then bam, there you go. It is now going to go ahead and spawn in Lugia. So from here, you're able to go ahead and attempt to capture him, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.